The white-headed pigeon is a large pigeon with a distinctive white head, neck and breast, which sometimes have an orange or greyish wash. The eye ring is pink to dark red, and the legs and feet are also pink-red. Since they were introduced into Australia in the 1860s, spotted doves have been very successful, expanding their range greatly to occur right along the east coast, as well as in parts of South Australia and Western Australia. Large brown pigeon with a long tail. Feeds on fruits and seeds in forest trees, but is occasionally seen walking on the forest floor. Calls strong and profound. The name comes from the emerald green back. Walks on the forest floor, gives a series of solemn-sounding hiccuping coos. Native to Australia, and one of the country's most common pigeons, the common bronze-wing is able to live in almost any habitat, with the possible exception of very barren areas and dense rainforests. Also endemic to Australia, the bronze reflections are more varied and beautiful than the common bronze-wing. One of the two species that possess an erect crest. The wings are barred with black, and are decorated with glossy green and purple patches. Grey head, very abundant. Produces a whistling sound when the air passes over a primary modified feather on the wing. Tiny grey dove with heavy barring on neck and chest. With a pale blue eye ring, very shy. Her call seems to be saying, bonobo, bonobo. Her call seems to be saying, Papua Papua. The bar-shouldered dove is native to Australia and southern New Guinea. The dove has a blue-grey breast with checkered brown-bronze wings. It is protected under the National Parks and Wildlife Act 1974. Large, ground-dwelling, grey bird with distinct white V on chest. It is mainly grey above, with a pale face, lives in dense coastal forests, rainforests and scrubs. It is often seen in clearings near forests. The rose-crowned fruit dove is a small, compact dove, with a short tail and rounded wings. Its name comes from the deep pink cap or forehead, which is bordered behind by a narrow yellow stripe. Large grey pigeon with a swept-back crest that is grey in front and rusty red behind, giving the head a unique shape. Found in rainforests and nearby wet forests and woodlands, especially along moist sheltered gullies.